Hey friends, if you wish to customize the Windows 11 lock screen, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side, select lock screen in the right pane. Now the first option is to personalize your lock screen. You can change it to a picture, but I prefer to keep it at Windows Spotlight because otherwise it becomes boring. Then you can choose to keep weather, mail or calendar here. I never keep my mails on the lock screen, though it's your choice. And as for the calendar, the problem is that it picks your personal calendar and not the usual calendar. So I prefer to stick it to weather and more. And show the lock screen background picture on the sign in screen. So here's the thing, I can turn this off. I don't want that. And we these are the main options. The rest are related settings for screensaver and screen timeout. I don't really use them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.